Today is the day we're gonna shoot the mortar. So let's see. Alright, I've got it set up here. Got it hooked up to my Harbor Freight Tool air compressor. A little disappointed in the air compressor. It's not performing like I thought it would. I'm gonna get up here. Actually, let's switch this camera around. So you can see it's up to 200 psi. We've got the regulator cranked all the way up. It's getting 180. But then if you take a look over here, let's turn that back on. What are we getting? Just a little, what, like 160? So we're not getting the range I was hoping for, but the rest of the system works flawlessly. It is awesome. It is what I've been waiting for the past, what, year and a half. So I'm going to set the camera in a little bit of a different angle here, and we'll get this thing going. Now today I'm not going to be using the fuseless fireworks. We actually had a fire not too far down the road, maybe half a mile, 3/4 of a mile away, that burned up quite a bit of area. So I'm sure you can understand I'm a little hesitant to be using fireworks when it's just dry and windy. So that's also something else with this wind that's going on that's kind of killing the range shoe, but it's okay, we're still going to shoot it. Here we go. So with that, we're probably getting about 85, 90 meters maybe at 150 psi. We're getting it, we're about 160 right now. And I'm sitting at, actually let's level the bubbles here. That was something I got quite a bit of questions about. Yes, the elevation, and I'll show you here in a second the deflection. It does work. Sure if you guys can hear me over the air compressor. It is a quiet air compressor, I will give it that. It's just I think I'm going to have to go to CO2 or some other kind of compressed gas to get the range I'm looking for. That was a good one. And also these rounds aren't exactly perfect. They're not made exactly the same way, so the range varies on them. There we go. All right, let's fire another one. Then I'm going to change the camera. You guys can see it from a different angle. Here we go. All right, I'm going to move the camera downrange. You guys can see the impact. See if we can catch some of these rounds coming out of the tube. Alright, so there we have it. The M2, now a 2-inch foam mortar for airsoft. Alright, see you guys out here.